dear friends, the Association for Democratic Reforms, shortly known as ADR, has approached the Supreme Court of India on Saturday in challenging the special intensive revision that has been issued by the Election Commission of India of electoral rolls, which the State Assembly election for Bihar is going to be held in the month of November 2025. What is the prayer of the Association for Democratic Reforms is this: the SIR order, if not set aside, can arbitrarily and without due process disenfranchise lakhs of voters from electing their representatives, thereby disrupting free and fair elections and democracy in the country to be in utter danger, and no way for free and fair elections, violating not only Articles 14, 19, 21, 325 and 326 of the Indian Constitution, and also the provisions of the referendum of the People's Act 1950 and the registration of electoral rules in 1960. What is the danger of this new exercise of this social intensive drive is this? It is violative of Article 325 of the Indian Constitution. There shall be no discrimination based on either caste, religion, or creed, or race, or any other gender issues. But in the case of this new exercise by the Election Commission of India, the marginalized sections of the scheduled caste, religious minorities like Muslims would be in a disadvantageous position in exercising their voting rights according to their choice of constraints. And further, under Article 326 of the Indian Constitution, it paves way for the adult suffrage of those who have attained 18 years of age, and this class, these new revision roles of the Election Commission of India is going to affect the adult suffrage in Bihar election to be held in November 2025. The matter is this: the constitutional, that is Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 has been passed by the Parliament so as to exclude Muslims and the illegal migrants from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh, but all others, Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Parsis and others have been included so as to give citizenship right to the illegal immigrants that have been displaced from these three countries because of the fear of this persecution in their respective countries. And another point is this: the National Register of Citizens, which shall be the motive of the central government and which is being endorsed by the Election Commission of India, in the voters shall be in a position to give documentary evidence or records of their citizenship, and also is or are that is records of fathers or mothers citizenship records therewith. If the voter is not in a position to submit the citizenship of either father or mother, definitely the voter will not be eligible to cast their valuable votes in the forthcoming assembly elections of Bihar in November 2025. What is disturbing is this: by this new exercise by the Election Commission of India about 7.9 crores of eligible voters, only 4.9 crores of voters are in the voters list of the Election Commission of India, whereas 3 crores of eligible voters, but for their proving their identities or citizenship by way of proving their certificates and records of their fathers and mothers. If not, definitely they will not be eligible to be entitled to vote in the forthcoming Bihar Assembly elections. They will lose not only their voting right, but also the citizenship right. Also, they would be in a position to lose the citizenship. They will become stateless persons in their respective homes themselves. This is causing a series of concerns. This is against national laws. This is against the Constitution of India. This is against the international laws on citizenship and many other provisions of the international law and the humanitarian law and the Constitution of India. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.